Hey, it's Nick, and this is a little different for me. I was just sitting at home, and I got an email from this company, or this guy named Frank. I think it was Frank. Was it Frank? It was Frank. And I, of course, thought it was spam, but he was like, hey, I saw your YouTube channel. I see that you and fat guys are like this, because that's my people, that's my tribe, as the marketing people would call it. My brand is fat, which I guess everyone has a brand. So they said, hey, would you want to try on some of our sweaters? We go up to 5XL, which is perfect. So I was like, sure, whatever, buddy. Whatever, Frank. But I'm not paying for them, and I'm not gonna like reimburse you for anything. I'm not gonna give you my credit card number. And he was like, cool, they're on their way. So I got them 2 days later. I got them today in the mail. He wasn't lying. Just so you know, they did give me these sweaters to talk about them, but I told him, like, look, bro, I'm gonna be honest. If they suck, I'm gonna let you know they suck, because I'm not gonna lie to my people. And then he paid me $500, and I was like, you know what? The people can be lied to. No, I'm just kidding. He didn't pay me anything. So let's first check out what Zertova is. They sell exclusively on Amazon. So they're about us. We focus on selling top quality of affordable. We focus on selling top quality of affordable clothing. Frank, there's a typo on your Facebook band. On clothing on exclusively on Amazon. Frank, too many ofs, too many ons. We strive to find designs with better prices, popular styles, comfort, and fit. All right, seems legit, minus the slew of typos. We got a sweater here, hoodie. Let's see, leggings. Girls like leggings. I hear the ladies like the leggings. I have an Italian suit. Ooh, a vest. So first of all, let me say thank you to Frank and Zertova for even considering doing this. Like, I have no views and only a handful of followers, so I appreciate you thinking that I am the voice of the fat people. So I think it's time we open the box and see that it's not a bomb, because I haven't opened this yet, and that it is a couple of sweaters like they promised. This could still go very wrong. But I'm in a weird spot here at my desk, so let's move over to the usual spot, because this is making me uncomfortable. Let's go over here. Now this feels right. Hey, it's actually the sweaters. Well, it doesn't smell funny. A lot of the times you get these sweaters or like clothing from Amazon and it smells funny. Doesn't smell funny, so that's good. Doesn't smell like chemical. Seems like it's cotton. Like, it feels really nice. I got the full zip in black. Man, that is red. This is awesome. Oh, it's big. Or am I just big? Maybe it's both. Doesn't smell. Same kind of quality. Cotton. Alright, let's get them on. Well, Zertova. This is actually really comfortable. Really nice. It feels like, I mean, it's a cotton sweater. It fits really good. It's 2XL. It fits exactly like a 2XL should fit. The pockets are right in the right spot. The cord's a little off. This seems like a manufacturing error. This cord, way longer than the first cord. I don't know. This fits perfect. It fits exactly like I would expect it to fit. It's 2X, and honestly, I've put on a couple pounds. This might be a little big for 2X. It is, I'm assuming, cotton, so when I wash this, it may shrink down. So to be safe, maybe get a size higher, but I won't know until I wash it, obviously. But, you know, it's super comfy. It seems like it's really good quality. The pocket in the right space. This time, cords, nearly the same. If you guys want to check out the sweaters, I'll put the link in the description. I'm not getting any kickbacks for it. They just gave me the sweaters. I'm just going to link you to their page on Amazon. You can see what they got, see what you like. Somebody try that suit or that vest. Let me know what you guys think. Nailed it. I think I'm going to get another one. They have all different colors. What other ones do they have? Let's check.